First of all, I would like to welcome everybody, and I'm really proud to be here today in this conference. My name is Al-Matar. I am a technical support manager at KUFPEC, which is a Kuwait Forgin Exploration Petroleum Company head office, and we are really pleased to be here today and get more knowledge about the technology and what the industry is heading. As we have seen just in the early morning today, we are introducing a new step change toward the EMB business, which is looking for the renewable energy, how this might be a key change players, and how this might impact on the futures of the EMB business production strategy. And what we are expecting now, like a great step change on power consumptions and electricity, development over the upcoming, I would say, 1 to 3 years from now, heading toward more efficiencies and production optimizations and technology-driven more in this domain. What we have seen, different diversities and different thoughts being, discussed and addressed, which is everybody believe on more collaborations and more partnerships to be more, I would say, streamlines and put some standards and look to a step change to, overcome the future challenges with respect to the oil price and instability. And some of maybe, I would say, major drivers would be for different EMB businesses, how they can not change for survives, but change for better, and to create more, I would say, opportunities toward production efficiency and lowering the cost. I probably definitely would be also, encouraging the other colleagues at our company to come and participate in this very critical, I would say, conference. It has very dense knowledge and a lot of good expert peoples who we could learn from them, and developing the future collaborations would help different EMB business opportunities.